So I'm going away to Alicante in less than 3 days, which is very exciting, and I thought I'd just show my zero waste bag for what I'm going to be taking. And this is for showering and just general hygiene. So this is my little bag. So these are my main zero waste travel kit for beauty and hygiene. In the little pot, this is by Emma Bridgewater. I found it the other day in a little kitchen shop, and it's just so cute, and it's just perfect for what I wanted to put in it. So in here I have a soap, which I've cut down, a flannel, and these are shampoo cubes. So I'll show you the packaging for these, but I just take enough for what I'm going to need being away for a week. So the soap is this one, which is by Suma, and it's vegan and palm oil free. And it's also very natural and organic and all that stuff. And I chop that down into 3, and then it lasts a bit longer. And then my shampoo cubes are these. I've recently discovered these, and these are amazing. It comes in this pot, so it's completely zero waste. And then the cubes are just in the pot here. And you just crush these up, make them into a little bit of paste with a bit of water, and then just shampoo, and they lather up really well. And they smell nice, and on my hair, because I've only got bleach on the ends now, this is my natural colour down to about here. I don't need to use conditioner with those, they're really soft and lovely. So that's in the pot. And then we've got this floss. This is from Geoganics, I don't know, Geoganics. And this is vegan. The charcoal version is vegan. This is bamboo, I think. And I think they've changed to like a soy wax. They did use beeswax, but now it's vegan. And then I make my own. This is face and body cream. I make it so that it can be used everywhere. This is a mixture of shea butter, coconut oil, a little bit of grapeseed oil, and vitamin E, I think. So I make that, and you just whip it, and it makes like a really lovely, nice cream, and that melts nice and easily. It smells nice too. And you can add essential oils if you want, but I like it plain for my face. And then in this little pot, which is a recycled Neal's Yard pot, are what I use for toothpaste. So these are little charcoal tablets, toothy tabs by Lush. At the moment they come in plastic. I know in America they come in little cardboard boxes, which would be much better, so I'm asking Lush if they'll consider swapping. But I really like those for travelling, so you don't have to have tubes and mess. And then this is my toothbrush. So this is just a bamboo toothbrush with bamboo bristles as well. So this can just go straight in the compost. You don't have to pull out the nylon bristles. So, and I really like these. And that's it for travelling. There's some extra bits that I take, which I'll show you now. That's just like the wash stuff. So I have a wooden hairbrush. I love this. It's been chewed by the dog. I've had it for years. It's by the Body Shop. I don't think you can get them anymore, but it's FSC wood, and these are little stainless steel bristles, and it's just absolutely the best hairbrush in the whole entire world. Then I use a wooden comb. I think this is cedar wood. It smells amazing. I've had that for a few years now as well. And then this is all my kit then. An orange stick for toes, cuticles, nail clippers. This one's a really nice one because it's got a file on it as well, and tweezers for eyebrows and any other hair where you get it. And then this is some hair oil. It's Smells really nice. I don't really use this a lot because my hair's quite fine, so I don't need a lot of oil. This is quite nice on the end, especially where I've got the bleach. And I have a little loafer. This is for exfoliating where I wax, to keep so they don't get ingrown hairs, and I also use it, this kind of material for your face because I get quite dry skin. I've got like combination skin, so I sometimes use that as well. And then I have 2 items of makeup, which is this. When this goes, I'm going to replace it with there's a bamboo version, I can't think what it's called now. I'll write it in. And then this is an eyeliner, and that's all the makeup I really wear. And that's kind of it for my beauty kit. I've also got an epilator because I sugar, but sometimes I can't get the back of my legs, so I have an epilator for that. But I can show that on another video with what I do for hair removal. And then, because my hair's longer now, I'm going to start cutting it myself from the front, so I'll do a video on that when it needs a trim. So I have that as well, and I think that's pretty much it for my zero waste minimalist beauty kit. So hope you enjoyed that and found it interesting, or perhaps found some products that you might want to switch to. And any questions down below in the comments. Okay, thanks, bye.